Alright guys, in this vehicle specific video, we're going to be doing the front doors on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is very similar for the previous models as well, so there is a wide vehicle year range. But let's get started with wiping the outside of the windows, and then we'll get with the door panel removal and laying out the material. So first, of course, you got to turn the key on to push to start, so push the button one time. Trick the door to turn off the chime noise. Now for the door panel removal, it's very simple. There's a 10mm bolt behind the plastic here, behind the door handle. So we're gonna grab a hook tool, pop that plastic off, and take the screw out. When you do this, you're gonna end up releasing the latch, so you might wanna do this first. Pop the plastic off, then re-trick this latch so you don't get completely annoyed. And you'll see the 10mm bolt behind there. It's gonna be very tight, and this is an impact gun, so it's gonna be very loud. Once you have that screw out, you can go to the back of the door panel, grab the top, and just pop back on the front as well, and then you can grab the gasket. Now we can go ahead with the inside prep, and we'll get to laying out the bulk material. And now the window's all prepped up. Soapy water solution on the outside. We'll lay out the bulk material and take it from there. On this Jeep Grand Cherokee, we're going to do 35% SunTech Standard Pro, which is going to be slightly lighter than what the back is, and that's what the customer wants. If you wanted to match the back, you would do 20%. So let's go ahead and lay this out. Again, I'm using a 40-inch roll like I do in most of my videos. This is a brand new roll, so it's extremely heavy and hard to grip. And I do not recommend doing it this way, but it's the only roll that I have. So that's why I'm doing it like this. Once we have that laid out, the process for the Jeep Grand Cherokee is to line up the bottom edge. Make sure you have enough lubrication between the film and the glass. Line up the bottom edge. We're going to cut the front first, shift it forward about 1/4 inch. It's a very standard install, very standard technique as for any other vehicle. Cut the front edge, shift it forward about 1/4 inch. Line up the bottom nice and tight, and then we'll cut the back edge. Then we'll cut off this excess material and save it for the other side. All right, now that we got the excess material off, we got the front cut shifted forward 1/4 inch, mounted back in place with the bottom lined up in the back cut. Just make sure that this is still mounted in place good. We'll go ahead and roll it down and cut the top edge. Now, one little thing to pay attention to on these Jeep Grand Cherokees, and this is a step you could have done during the preparation process, is when they have the double paned glass, if you look at the top, from the top, the glass is actually 2 panes of glass with a laminate between the two. So sometimes that laminate, when you're cutting, it'll protrude past the glass, and as you're cutting, you'll grab that laminate and actually cut that as well. So a good little technique is to run the razor blade over the top of the blade as if you're cutting the edge, just to do a little pre-test to make sure there's nothing that's going to get in your way, because if that stops you, it may create a rigid edge on the top and it create inconsistencies. So there isn't any, so we'll go ahead and mount that back in place. That's something you would want to do before you lay the material out when you're doing the initial prep. And I do that on every Grand Cherokee just to make sure it doesn't mess up my top edge cut. So we'll go ahead and cut this front top edge to the back. And then we'll clean up our edges. Very straightforward technique for this vehicle. Continue our straight edge, round out the corner. Same for the front. Clean up any rough cuts. Round out the bottom corners nice and tight. We'll mount it in place on the outside and then go forward with installation. Spray squeegee spray. Peel the liner off, spray it up with soapy water. And then go forward with installing bottom loading. Front bottom edge in first. Once that's in place in the front, then you lay down the back. And then we go and line up the top edge, make sure it's nice and tight. It's good practice to keep your knee on the door panel to keep constant pressure so it doesn't wiggle back and forth. Trying to move as quickly as possible so the film doesn't tack up in the wrong position. Then on this vehicle, since the gaskets aren't too tight on the sides, I like to use my gray lid co to push down the sides rather than a easy reach tool with a yellow contour. We will go over the sides with the easy reach tool and the yellow contour at the sides on the bottom after we roll it up, but up here I like to use the gray lid co card. Now we're going to push the top out with the gray lid co, blue huck towel, and a heat gun. We'll check over our top edge from the outside. Make sure there's no imperfections, no contamination. Hit the top edges with the little chiseler. Work out any little tiny specks. And then we're good to roll this up and finish it off. And like I said before, go down the sides with the yellow contour just to finish off those bottom edges. And then we'll go across the bottom with the gray lid co again with the heat gun, just to seal that bottom edge up. Paying close attention not to let the heat hit the door panel. You never want to heat up the door panel, only the window itself. Hitting it here, the heat will travel down, so don't be scared to stay a little far away. Check our outside again, and once everything looks good, we'll reinstall the weather stripping and be done. There's a slight imperfection here in the top corner. It's going to be pretty hard to see on the camera. It just needed a little push. That's good. And we look good. So let's go forward with reinstalling the weather stripping and getting this car complete. So this is a very simple reinstallation. You're just going to pull the panel back, put the front edge in first, slide it into place, lay it down just like any other weather stripping. This one's very straight and solid though. And then we want to make sure that these clips behind the door panel are lined up with the holes. You can see here it's not lined up, so if we go and hit it now, it's not going to click into place. So we want to make sure they're lined up, and we want to make sure they're lined up all the way across and in the front. Once they're all lined up and it goes into place, we can smack it, and that'll re-engage those clips. Then we can go forward with reinstalling that 10mm bolt or screw behind the handle. Nice and tight. And then the plastic simply lays into place and pushes. The last step is just cleaning up the door panel, make sure there's no water drips. Checking the outside. Of course, the last step is to untrick the door latch, simultaneously pulling the door handle and the latch at the same time. And you get that lovely chime back, and the door will close. And that is how you tint the front doors on the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bow.